Hi, my name is Maria, and today I'm going to introduce you to Sculpto. At Sculpto, our mission is to make 3D printing technology available for everyone. A 3D printer is the perfect tool to transform virtually any idea into real-life useful objects. You can make customized place cards, Christmas ornaments, gift tags, cookie cutters, vases, unique wall decor, storage solutions, and much more. 3D printing can make for a lot of fun for both children and grown-ups, and the possibilities are endless. Sculpto is developed with the craft user in mind. You don't have to be super technical or have previous experience with 3D printing. You can simply operate your Sculpto directly from any smartphone, tablet, or computer by using the Sculpto app. In the Sculpto app, you can browse more than 100,000 models. You can monitor your process, get live feedback on your printing process, and finally, you can upload your own 3D models or customize objects and print them. We recommend using Tinkercad for this. The unique design of the printer makes it small, silent, and compact. With a large building area, you can make big ideas into big objects. Finally, it's designed with safety in mind, making it a great choice for the entire family. Sculpto delivers biodegradable, strong, carbon-neutral filament. It comes in various colors, even in glitter. For more information, follow Sculpto on YouTube and Facebook, or find more information at www.sculpto.eu. Thanks for watching.